Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Flutter for Windows. So let's go to Google and Google Flutter Install, take the Windows version and download it and click Save. And it's gonna take a while, so I'll be back when it's done. Alright, now the download is done, so let's move this file to our C drive. And in C I have created a source folder, and in there I want to paste this. In here I also have folders for my mobile projects and for my web projects made with Flutter, and I'm just gonna unpackage this. So extract all here. This will also take a moment, so I will come back. Alright, now that that's done extracting, go to the folder and copy the Flutter folder from there to the folder above. And in that Flutter folder, go to bin and copy this path. Open Windows, search and go to environment variables. Open the variables, go to path variable, and here add the path that you copied. Great. Now search for CMD, so command prompt, run as administrator, and run flutter doctor command. What this does, it searches that we have everything for Flutter to work. So what we are missing is Android Studio. And to install that, go check the description for the link. I have it open here. Check, agree the terms, whatever they are. Save it, and I'll be back when the download is done. Now that the Android Studio download is completed, let's open it. Run it. And follow the installation as it is. Alright, the installation is almost done. We can start Android Studio. Have something out there to delete. Click next. Next, choose the theme. Finish. Alright, it's done. Finish. Now go to configurations and plugins and search for Flutter. Install that, and it's gonna say something about something, and it will say that you want to add Dart also for Flutter, and so say yes, and it will install everything and restart it. And then we can start new Flutter project. Flutter app, and done. Now we can go and create a device. Let's make a Pixel phone and use Pi. Say test device. Finish. Start the device. This will take a while, maybe, so I'll be back. Okay, great. The device has started up, so now we should be able to run our application. Great, now we have Flutter installed. Now we can check this works. And it does. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions. Bye.